Hey, what's up, baby?
Nothing much. How about you?
You smell like cherries.
Okay.
Will you go out with me?
No.
Why not? I said you smell like cherries.
1. I hate cherries, and 2. You are an ugly piece of garbage, and 3. You smell bad like poop.
Please, I am nothing without you. You are the peanut to my butter. The start to my burst. The pop to my tart. The fruit to my loop. Please go out with me.
Because of that poem and because I love Fruit Loops, I will go out with you.